Congratulations. Yes, congratulations to you. If you are among the people that will be receiving dividends, cash from these companies I'm going to talk about. So today we're going to talk about four stocks that are, two of them are paying interim dividends. They just announced. And the other two will be dropping their dividends. So there are two types of dividends. They have the final dividends and they have the interim dividends. So these four stocks, I want to put them on your radar. But first of all, I said congratulations. That is because the people who are letting their money work for them are people who are actively investing, looking out for companies, solid companies that are paying dividends and enjoying the dividends. You remember what dividends are. If you're meeting me for the first time and you don't know what dividends are profits that a company shares with you. So you own shares of a company. For example, one of the stocks I'm going to mention today is Aradel. Aradel is in the oil and gas. Now, you own some shares. You have maybe 1,000 shares, 500 shares. And this company, in the last couple of months, they have done well. They reported their earnings and it was good. They made some profit. And they said, you know what? For owning this company with us in by way of owning shares, we want to give you some portion back. So these shares are given these dividends are paid according to the number of shares. So there is no wayo, there are no scams there, all right? So you have to understand that if you own 1 million shares and someone owns 100 shares, you people cannot earn the same amount. You are paid the same amount, but you do not earn the same amount. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and on this channel, I teach you how to make your money work for you. So, watch this video and see if any of the stocks you have in your portfolio, just in case you have forgotten, if any of these stocks that are in your portfolio will be paying dividends in the next couple of days. And of course, the ones that just announced that they will be paying interim dividends, if you can get a hold of them. So, that is what I'm going to talk about today. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, share this video, and of course, thank you for being a VIP subscriber and always coming back to watch and learn. I'm always excited when people watch and learn, especially those who drop a message to say, thank you, this was very educational, this was very impactful. Thank you for that. So this video, of course, is for educational purposes. Do your own research. So let's talk about the stocks that are paying dividends and of course those that will be paying interim dividends very, very soon. One thing I want to tell you is that this should be a reminder that the right investment don't just grow in value, they also pay you for holding them. If you notice, there are people who have been holding certain stocks for years, and for years, these stocks are growing, and also these companies are also paying dividends. That is a two-way, two-in-one combo. So I want you to know that there are companies like that. And the second thing I want you to know that there is a power that you get when you build your portfolio for both um, long term and for passive income. And I'm going to show you. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the HBM Nigeria. So Lafarge now bears the name HBM, and they just recently changed their name because they are now owned by a Chinese company. I think they were the ones that owned it before, but they just recently changed their name. They had some very um, intentional shifts and moves in the company. But look at this. When I mentioned that these companies pay you for growth and they pay you passive income in terms of dividends, this company, yet the last 1 year, they have done 148%. If you had 1 million, you have an extra 1,048,000. Mm-hmm. And of course, this company, they are dropping a 16 naira um, interim dividend. They already have paid 6 naira as final dividend, and now they are paying an interim of 16. Last year, they paid interim of 4 naira. And this year, they are paying interim of 16. That's 4 times. Imagine if you held this stock last year, you made 148, and they are giving you for 16 naira on top of 6 naira they've given before, and the qualification date is 12th of August. So please buy this on or before 12th. In fact, avoid that 12th. Tell yourself, I will own this stock. That is if you really want to have it. Buy it on or before the 12th of August for you to enjoy. So the details will come later on the payment date. For now, the most important thing is qualification date, because sometimes people tell me, I bought this stock, but I did not receive dividends. You bought it after the qualification date. Qualification dates are very important. And the second one is UCAP. UCAP just announced that after their first half performance, they will be giving a 30 kobo. Now, you may look at this and say, what's 30 kobo? Until you see people that have 5 million shares, 10 million shares. Nah, hey, are you joking? Now, their performance has been like zigzag. Can you see? But he has also, he's also creating a good opportunity. So that's why I said before you just jump in, go and do some research, understand this company, look at their fundamentals, look at their income sheets, look at their report card, all right, and of course look at the areas of places that you can see. For me, as I'm looking at this, I can spot places that can jump in and buy if I really want to own this. But I'm not going to tell you if I'm going to buy, hold, or if I'm currently owning this stock. I just want you to know that for anyone you are going to buy, be sure you have done your own research. All right. So that's not the second one. Let's get into other ones that are paying their annual dividends. So this is fits in. You can see on this, you will see up until 2020 and beyond, they've been paying dividends every year, and their dividends have been increasing. Did you notice something? 2020 was 15 kobo, 2021 25 kobo, 2022 50 kobo, 2023 55 kobo, 2024 60 kobo, 2025 1 naira, 2026 1 naira 50 kobo. They are gradually growing and increasing their dividend amount. And you will also notice that the percentage yield dropped even though the amount increased, because the value of the stock price is no longer the price it was last year. This stock is the one stock that has done really well, that has done over 100%. So if you own it for both sides, for the growth and for the passive income dividend earning, you're going to be smiling. So if you notice, in 2024, when they paid 60 kobo, the yield was 4.12%. But if you see now, it is 1.5%. So sometimes people get confused when they see higher values and they think, oh, this company is paying higher values, that means they are doing better. You also have to check the percentage, because they are checking it across board, the value of the actual price of the stock. So currently fitting is around 92 naira. As you can see here, it is currently 92 naira, and the last 1 year it has returned over 100%, like I said before. So imagine they're paying you 1 naira when it was 40 naira, and they're paying you 1 naira 50 kobo now that it is 92 naira. Can you see where I'm coming from? So understand that the two things can also, higher values in dividend does not necessarily mean that you are getting higher yield. Those two things make a lot of sense. So the last one I'm going to talk about is Aradel. Aradel, I mentioned it earlier when I started this video, and I talked a little bit about Aradel when I mentioned that this company will be paying on the 30th of July, and they are paying 23 naira. So in the next 2 days, this company will be paying, in fact, by tomorrow, they'll be paying dividends. So if you own it, of course, if you are buying it today, you are not going to earn dividends tomorrow. But if you're buying it for next dividend, because you can see here they have paid before, uh they are paying shareholders who own it before the ex-dividend date. So if you look here, you'll be seeing ex-dividend date July 10, July 9. So you have to own it before the ex-dividend date. Those dates are very important. You don't just qualify because you own shares. You have to qualify when you buy before. So there are requirements. You must understand it. It applies not just in Nigerian stock, in US stock and every other kind of stock out there. Always understand that these things are very important. And I also want to let you know that the investment don't just grow, they are also doing you well by you accumulating more. So there are people who started with 10 shares of Aradel and today they have almost 1,000 shares of Aradel. I know someone like that, and that is a work in progress. But understanding when to buy, to do your extra top up is very important. So you don't just recklessly buy these stocks. So those are the ones I want to talk about. Then finally, I want you to know that if you are calculating the amount, understand that there is a 10% withholding tax, but it is already processed and calculated. So when you're receiving your money, whether you're getting it into your bank account, depending on the app you're using or the asset management home that you're using, some of them are going to be processed with, so far you have an active e-mandate form that has been filled out and all your details are intact, you're going to receive your money. But there are some apps like Bamboo that you use, you just get a direct alert from your bank. If you're using Trove app, you're going to get it inside your app and you can quickly use it immediately to do top up. So, of course, I want you to know that reinvesting your dividends is very important. Don't just say, oh, I just got it, I'm going to use it and buy, you know. One of my community members reached out to me after she received her NIDF dividends, and she says, oh my God, I want to take myself out to a five-star restaurant, but I know you, coach. You would not want to hear that type. You want to hear, I'm going to reinvest it into this particular stock. I say, thank God you know. So the most important thing is not just earning the dividends, it is being able to reinvest it and also knowing when you can trim your profits so that you can reinvest it into something else. So this is one of the best times for you to start investing. And if you really love to join our community, you can come on in and join the 9.0. We're about to wrap up. And like I said, we'll be gearing up to start another batch. And I don't know exactly when because I have a lot of other projects coming in. So you can jump on this offer and come and learn other ways beyond just Nigerian stocks. Even in the US stocks, we have stocks that are paying us weekly. We have stocks paying us monthly. So these ones they are seeing as once a year in Nigerian stocks. If you come to US stocks, even if the stock market is dropping, the advantage is that you can build your dividends that you can be earning up to $100, $500, $1,000 every month. And that way it will be easy for you to be using the money to buy more stocks or invest more. So come and join us in the community. The payment link is the first in the description. You can equally send an email to me if you feel like you did not get maybe there's a problem with the payment. Reach out, all right, and I'll be happy. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I do hope you have liked this video. I hope you're going to be enjoying good dividend payout because Aradel is one good company. I'll tell you the truth. It is one good company you should have, and I hope you're going to collect some small money from them because that is what they owe you for being a loyal shareholder of that company. So like this video and of course share if you found it very valuable and impactful, and I'll see you in another video. Have a great day.